myself Sana Naushad Ahmed. I am from 11th B from HK Gidwani. My topic is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar contribution to our country. Our history tells a story of many heroes and their contribution to our country. One such hero is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. He was born on 14 April 1891. We all know him as the father of the Indian Constitution. He was commonly known as Baba Saheb. He was a social reformer, a politician, a jurist and an economist. In 1923, he established the Bhishkrit Hitkarni Sabha, which aimed to spread the awareness about the importance of education and enhance the economic status of the low-class people of our country. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee, which played an important role in the formation of the constitution. He also played the important role in presenting the draft constitution and also answering the various questions raised on it and making the necessary change according to the suggestion of the Constitution Assembly. The constitution was passed on 26 November 1949 and was approved by the Parliament. In 26 January, the constitution came into force and we all know that it is celebrated as World Republic Day. In 1951, he established the Financial Commission of India and opposed the income tax on the low-income group of people. He believed that education is the moral weapon in all social movement and that the more educated we were, the more opportunity we get for the progress. Dr. Ambedkar believed that industrialization is responsible for the development of the country. According to him, industrialization creates large-scale job opportunities and comprehensively develop the country. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was the first to stand for the rights of the Dalits and give them their rights and take out them from injustice. He worked hard for the Dalits to give them right and the equal status which all human beings get in the society. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar believed on injustice is stand for equality, liberty and fraternity to all human beings. He believed that all should get equal status in a society. He did not approve any type of injustice and exploitation in the name of religion. In 1920, he launched a newspaper named Mon Nayak, which means the leader of the silence. Once the Baba Saheb said, I measure the progress of the community by the degree of progress which women has achieved. He was a strong believer in equality. He was a supporter of the women's right. He has various qualities like efficiency, honesty, long visionary attitude, leadership, non-violence, ambitious thought. This quality made him idol for the young generation. Youth can get inspiration from his personality and accomplish the successful journey of life. Thank you.